I feel lack of confidence. So we actually inverted the scenario. So we said, suppose you go to this party, everybody is wearing ordinary clothes, you are wearing hep clothes, would you walk in? Said yes, we would walk in. So it is their perception of what is considered acceptable and what is considered not acceptable. We also told them this is not an issue of dress code. If there is a dress code, we are not asking you to break the dress code. But if there is no dress code, but others are wearing kurta pajamas, you are wearing jeans, would you go in? So you find inversion. Many people who had said they would go back, they said no, we will go in. So this is called relative confidence. Relative to other, relative to my group. So if I just write this down, so relative confidence means that your confidence depends on the other person, not on yourself. Absolute self-confidence means that your confidence does not depend on the other person. It does not depend on your peer group. Now, self-confidence is only of one kind. Either it is absolute self-confidence or there is no self-confidence. Another name for relative self-confidence is inferiority complex. So people who feel superior in one situation feel very inferior in another situation. So they are under a constant peer pressure. They need to know whether they are conforming to what the surroundings are. Note that we are not bringing in dress code and things like that. The aim is not to break a dress code, but the aim is to understand what is self-confidence, understand what is absolute self-confidence. Some of these issues are transmitted unknowingly. So as head of the institution, if you behave in a certain way, gets transmitted without your having said anything, or even you may have mentioned 2-3 words, gets transmitted. So this is where Sukshma requires great care, and the power of Sukshma is it multiplies on its own. Positive things multiply, negative things also multiply. That is the power. Now, normally when I take this example with our students, we begin with clothes and we move on to motorcycles. And those people who say, oh, we don't care about pressure, and you talk of motorcycles and they say, no, motorcycle has to be a most powerful one. Then I ask them, well, it must be moving very fast on the road. He said, no, with this traffic, powerful motorcycle or no powerful motorcycle, it moves at the same slow pace. So then why do you want to get a more powerful motorcycle? It is to impress the other. If you are trying to impress somebody, then you lack self-confidence, because you feel other is not impressed by you. There is a need for you to impress. So what we call that you are partantra.